Hello everyone, it's Paddy and it's time for another Lego build. Another one of these superhero mighty micro things. The sets that make you ask why the Flash was put in a car. Yeah, there's not a lot more to say about these other than I'm going to get straight into building because I want to build. Right, and there you have it. Two more of the superheroes. What's this set called? The Mighty Micros set. This is Bane and Robin. Robin's got one of the capes that I do so enjoy. If you can't tell that's sarcasm, you need your head looking. And I like Bane's vehicle more in this one because its drill moves. That's a piece I haven't seen in a while. But yeah, as usual, there's all the YouTube things that you're supposed to do, like comment and subscribe. And we'll be back next week with another Lego build.